have. We must buy from the vending machine. What do you want? I don't know. What do you want to buy?
I don't know what I want to buy.
I don't know what I want to buy too.
Let's just go to the other vending machine.
Sneakers? Oh my god, hold on. Chili thingies. What do you want? M&M's? Sneakers? Okay, we don't want sneakers.
Wait, let's find something nice.
Oh, what?
183 brown calories.
No.
Let's go to the other vending machine first. Let's go to the other vending machine.
Give me. Okay, you go first. Having a problem. I think maybe sneakers or M&M's, so yeah. Let's go see my sis. Or maybe mommy. Yeah, is there any can? I mean, was there any bottled drinks? Oh. So what you might?
I'm gonna buy sneakers.
Okay. Just like super hungry. Yeah. So there's like scuba warehouse here, and they sell like sneakers and gas tanks. So yeah, we're gonna try zoom in.
Okay.
That the flippers at the end of the store. So yeah, what do you want?
I buy you sneakers.
What do you mean by I buy you a sneakers?
You want sneakers?
And then what do you want?
You want sneakers? I'm asking you.
Anything?
Famous.
No.
Okay, I'll buy you
I
sneakers.
want to buy something chocolate that it's either M&M's or sneakers.
Okay, I'll buy you sneakers.
Can you like share the sneakers? Because I don't know if I want the whole thing. Okay, never mind, just buy it. Oh, never mind.